But the phone lines are open now and will remain open until 7 p.m. on Sunday, October 6th. Yep, we're giving you an additional hour to get in all those votes. So do your thing and vote for your favorite. Now, just in case you don't remember all of tonight's incredible performances, here you go.
You stop loving me.
Ever just the same. Ever a surprise.
Girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Ooh, this feels so crazy. Oh, your love is blazing. Baby, we so high. We're walking on cloud nine. Tell one time people them used to say, what sweet nanny go and talk around them belly. So when they stepping on the street, nobody see we. Cause we feel we things and I tell people, see how you give we love. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.